Welcome to our guide on how to turn off email notifications on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by logging into your Twitter or X account on a web browser. Navigate to the left sidebar menu and click on the More option. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Support. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy, then Notifications. To access the notification menu on the right side of the screen, click on Preferences, and then choose Email Notifications to view the various options under the email notification settings. To turn off email notifications, simply click on the toggle button located on the top left side of the screen. By following these steps, you can easily manage your email notifications on Twitter, ensuring you only receive the notifications that matter to you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to turn off email notifications on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to customize your notification preferences and streamline your Twitter experience.